fatty liver. It doesn't hurt, it doesn't warn you, but every single day it's getting worse. What you're doing daily might be silently damaging your liver, without you even realizing it. Every sugary drink you take gets turned straight into liver fat. Swap it out. Choose water instead. One simple change can protect your liver every single day. Sitting all day slows your body, and your liver stops burning fat. But just 30 minutes of walking daily can restart fat burning and help your liver heal. Move more, live better. Junk food overload pushes fat straight into your liver. But switching to whole, natural foods can reverse the damage. Eat better today, your liver will thank you. Alcohol directly damages your liver, increasing fat buildup and inflammation. But when you stop, your liver begins to heal. Cut back today, your liver can recover. Poor sleep slows your metabolism and worsens fatty liver. Just 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep can help your body recover and your liver heal. Ignoring diabetes and cholesterol keeps damaging your liver. Treat the root cause. Proper care and medication can protect your liver and help it heal. The good news? Fatty liver can improve. It's reversible if you take action now. Start today and give your liver a fresh, healthy future. The good news? Fatty liver can improve. It's reversible if you take action now. Start today and give your liver a fresh, healthy future.